What workplace rule was designed by pure evil? I worked at a place where if you were even a minute late, you had to stay an extra hour. But if you wanted to leave an hour early, you had to come in an hour early. So one day I was stuck in traffic and ended up being 5 minutes late. I had to stay an extra hour. I thought, okay, fine. But then the next day, I had a family emergency and needed to leave an hour early. I came in an hour and a half early just to be safe. But my boss said I couldn't leave because I was 5 minutes late the day before. I tried to explain that I had already stayed the extra hour, but he said it didn't matter. I ended up missing my son's school play. I was furious. So the next day, I came in 2 hours early and stayed 2 hours late. I did this for a whole week. Then on Friday, I told my boss I was leaving early. He said I couldn't because I was 5 minutes late on Monday. I told him I had already made up for it and then some. He said it didn't matter. I told him I was leaving anyway. He said if I left, I would be fired. I told him I quit. I left and never looked back.